Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie.com. I'm a teacher, I'm a crafter, I'm a DIYer, and today I'm Supermom. Well, I'm always Supermom, but today I'm going to show you how to make a last-minute Supermom costume. So the first thing that you're going to need for your Supermom costume is a Supermom shirt. So this is one that I made years ago using just an S&M cut out of white fabric and then ironed on, interfacing to my t-shirt so it can last forever. If you don't want it forever, here's one I made today. So all you have to do is take an S&M print it on some paper on your printer. You can use my printable. I'll have a link to it below, or you can make your own. It's not real hard. And cut it out. Once you've cut it out, then you're going to trace it onto, I'm just using some plain white contact paper. And then once you've got the contact paper cut out, you are going to stick it to your shirt. This is a one-time use shirt, but I have my S and my M right here and it's going to work. Next, we need the bottoms. Now, you could be the Supermom who always wears jeans, or you could step it up a notch and say that you're Supermom, you do all these things and you're still glamorous, and put on a skirt. Here's my skirt. So my outfit's coming together, but every good superhero needs to have a cape. And what better to use for a cape than an apron for a Supermom? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my apron and tie it over my shoulders. Next, Supermoms are a lot like Batman. We've got everything that's ever needed. So I need a utility belt. I need to apologize. My superhero cape apron got in the way of my microphone and my sound was all messed up, so I'm switching to a voiceover here. This is just a belt out of my closet and I'm adding my utilities to it. So first of all, I have a whisk because every Supermom can whip something together. And after my whisk, I am going to have a spatula to flip things because we're always having to flip things around and do everything that we can to help our kids. And the next one is supposed to be a wooden spoon, but I couldn't find a wooden spoon because we used to use a wooden spoon as a spanking spoon. I don't know, this metal one might hurt, but that's what I have. Just like Wonder Woman has a lasso of truth, every Supermom needs one as well to get their kids to tell them the truth. So I'm just using some gold cording and adding that to my belt as well. Now I'm going to tie a bandana or a handkerchief to my wrist so that I can wipe away all the children's tears. When I think of Supermom, I think of the mom on Leave It to Beaver who always wore her pearls. So of course I have to wear my pearls. In my house especially, because I have all boys, I am the queen of my house. And all Supermoms are queens of their house. So what does a queen have? A tiara. Everyone knows that Supermom has eyes in the back of her head. So I take my glasses and I'm going to put them on backwards to show that I have eyes in the back of my head. Some say that you have to be a little crazy to be a Supermom. So I say wear some crazy socks. We all know that one of the things a Supermom does all the time is run around after her kids. So Supermom has to wear tennis shoes, not some high-heeled boots or anything. Supermom's wearing the tennis shoes. And last but not least, Supermom has to inspect bedrooms that get cleaned or not cleaned with her white gloves. So of course, Supermom has to wear white gloves. And there you have it, your very own Supermom costume. And while you're out trick-or-treating with the kids, who knows, maybe they'll be giving away tacos. Or you can get chocolate for yourself without just having to steal it from your kids. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe, tell all your friends, have a great day, and toodles!